Hello everyone, I'm Wendy Tomlinson. I'm an EFT master practitioner, and today I want to show you how to use special EFT freedom spells. So it's not woo-woo, it is just normal EFT, but we're working with the energy body and we're working on releasing, and it's just a name for this type of EFT that we're doing. It's called EFT freedom spells. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to put your hands in the heart healing position like this. And just before we start doing our EFT tapping, I want to just talk to you very briefly about what we're doing. So we are releasing energy blocks and we are working with the energy body so that you can feel better. And in this particular case, we're working on releasing loneliness. And we're going to say the same statement at each tapping point. Now, what I want you to do is follow along with me. Now, you can say the words out loud, ideally say the words out loud, or you can just listen and tap with me. I also just want you to know that I have a newsletter called the Positive Mindset Newsletter. And it's also a community, it's a website where you can go and read all of the content I've ever posted there. And one of the things you can do is upgrade to my EFT zone. Now, along with this video, I will also be posting to the EFT zone a full EFT script that has some releasing work and building in positive emotions that we might want to feel even better. So if you like the idea of having a script to follow along with, and also, you know, getting a lot more guidance, you can access all of the EFT scripts that I've ever done. And that's for a really small monthly or yearly fee, whichever you choose. Okay, so we're going to do this nice and slow. So really let things sink in and really release things. As you're going through the EFT points and saying the words, just imagine all of that loneliness just flowing away from you. That's what we're doing. We're releasing these energy blocks and letting it flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you flow. Soften and flow, soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Just take a nice relaxed breath at each point. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Just imagining it all flowing away. Keep tapping. I'm going to pop my fan on, and I really hope that the noise isn't too distracting, but I am getting so hot out here. Okay, so all of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Under the nose. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow. Soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow. Soften and flow. Just imagine that you've got this block. Imagine your energy system as lots of little roads and little pathways, and you've got blocks along the pathway. So imagine this block is your loneliness and this feeling of being lonely. So imagine as we tap through these points, it's just softening and flowing, softening and flowing. And it's just moving away. So the block is softening and flowing and releasing from your energy body. Okay? All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow. Soften and flow. All of this loneliness, I now let you go. Soften and flow. Soften and flow. Let's return to the heart healing position. Take a nice deep breath in and release. I would really appreciate it if you would like this video, subscribe if you want more from me, and leave me a comment to tell me what came up for you in this EFT session, how you feel now that you've done it with me. Try doing it a few times and then leave me a comment about how you feel. So this is one of those things that you can use the EFT freedom spell for anything that you want to release. So if it's not loneliness that you want to release, if it's, for example, if it's sadness, if it's anger, whatever feelings that you want to release, just use this same style of EFT. Okay, that's all from me for today. And remember that if you like EFT scripts and want more on how to use EFT for loneliness, then please check out the EFT Zone. I'll leave the link for the free EFT guide so anyone can read that, and then how to access the EFT Zone as well. Take care everyone, bye.